Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to you, my dear students of grade 1. In our lesson today, we will learn a new letter and a new sound. And what is that new letter and new sound, Teacher Ahmad? I will tell you, but before we begin our lesson, I would like you to have your book in front of you as well as your pencil, because we will do the activity together inshallah. Now I will share with you the page which we will start our lesson with it, which is page number 8. Page number 8. This is the capital R. This is the capital R, and this is the small r. And what is that sound of that R, Teacher Ahmed? What is the sound of the letter R? I will tell you. The sound of the letter R is R, R, R. That is the sound of the letter R. If you look at the picture, the puppy has a special piece of rag biting it and pulling it, like making that sound. And this is the sound, my friend, of the letter R. Okay? Now pretend to be a puppy holding a rag on your mouth, shaking your head from side to side, and say, "Rrr, rrr." That is the sound of the letter R. Now look at the picture and tell me any word that has the R sound. Yes, you have a rag, rag, and you have here rabbit. You have a rabbit, and you have here a rat. Now, I have some pictures. I would like to share them with you, and these pictures begin with the R sound. Would you like to watch? Would you like to see? Okay, I will show you. The first picture is coming. Here we go. All right, this is the first picture. It's a rat. It's a rat. And what is the first letter of the word rat? Yes, it's R. But how about the sound of the letter R? Can you tell me? Yes, the sound of the letter R is R, R, rat, rat. I have another picture. Would you like to see it? Okay, I will show you. This is the picture. What is it? Yes, it's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. What is the first letter of the word rabbit? Yes, R. And can you tell me the sound of the letter R? Yes, tell me. Excellent. It's R, R, rabbit, rabbit. Would you like to see another picture? Okay, I will show you. This is a color. This is a color. And what color is it? Yes, it's red, red. And the first letter of the word red is R. And the sound of the letter R, but the sound of the letter R is R, R, R. That is the sound of the letter R. R, red. Last picture. Okay, this is the last picture. What is the boy doing? Yeah, run, run, run. And the first letter of the word run is R. And the sound of the letter R is R, R, run, run. All right? Now we learned the letter name and the letter sound. Now, and we find out some words begin with the same sound. Now, what else can we do? Think. Yes. Do you have your pencil with you? All right, because we will do some writing. Now, let's move to the next page, which is page number 9. All right, we have here, remember, capital letter, 3 lines, small letter, 2 lines. Now we will learn how to write the capital letter and the small letter. We have here the small letter, we have line number 1 and we have line number 2. But how to write the R, teacher? I will tell you. From the dot, line number 1, go straight down to line number 2, and on the same line, go up and make a curve to line number 1. Can we do it again? Of course, we can do it again. On the dot, go down to line number 2, and on the same line, go up again and make a little curve. I know that you can write better than me because you can control your hand when you write. But for me, I'm using the mouse. It's quite difficult for me. Now, another one, we will try again. From the dot, go down to the first and second line, and on the same line, go up again and make a little curve. Oops. Let's go down here. From the dot, go down to the second line, and on the same line, go up again and make a little curve. That is the small r. Now, how about the capital R? The capital R has 3 lines. Let's write the numbers here. We have line number 1, 2, and 3. We will do the same. From line number 1, we will go down all the way to line number 3. And on the same line, we will go up again to line number 1 and make a semicircle to line number 2. And then it looks like letter P. And then we make another line to line number 3. This is the capital R. Let's write and let's try again. From the dot, go down to line number 3 and go up again to line number 1 and make a semicircle to line number 2, which looks like letter P, and then we go down again to line number 3. This is the capital R, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to write the letter correctly without any mistake. Okay? Now, we have here 3 pictures. The first one is, I showed you the picture. The first one is rabbit, and the first letter of the word rabbit is R, and the sound of the letter R is R, rabbit. And the second picture here, we have a dress, but the R doesn't come in the beginning, it comes in the middle. So the second one is dress. It has the R sound. And the last one, it's a rocket, rocket, rocket goes up to the space. The first letter of the word rocket is R. All right? So that's it for our lesson today. I wish you had fun and enjoyed the lesson with me, and I wish you have learned new vocabulary that begins with the same letter, and you learned how to say the sound of the letter and learned how to write the capital R and the small r, and inshallah I will see you in the next coming lessons. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.